This is your easy to follow guide to the Case Manager portal on the Professional Me by Microtrain. First off, when you first log in, you'll see this portal right here in front of you. If you want to make a request, you can click the Make a Request button right here. Type in whatever issue you have. We will see it and respond as quickly as we can. If you click here on the left-hand side, you'll see the Case Manager portal, and you can click in and see your full caseload. Here we have all the names of everybody who is currently active for this Case Manager. Now, if you need to look for somebody that's inactive, you can click here for inactive and then search. It'll show you all the ones that are currently inactive. You can also click any of these names to find more information. I will choose a name that I've pre-designated, Daniel here. Now, as you can see, Daniel has all the information set up right here for you to see. Name, number, and address. It also shows you the program he is under. Now, if you need to change his status from active to inactive, you can do that here. You can also change it from inactive to active if you mistakenly change his status. Now, as you scroll down, you'll be able to see that he has attended these various classes and has gained certificates. If you need to see their attendance, you can click on the class, see his attendance, and even print it out. If you just need the certificate, you can click the certificate and it'll automatically download and show up as our certificate of completion. If it doesn't download automatically, you can press the blue button here and it should download straight to your downloads folder. Now, he also has classes that are upcoming. You can check it by seeing the date. Right now, it is actually the 4th of June, and he's scheduled to start this class on the 9th. If you click in, no attendance, as well as no certificates. You can keep searching through this portal to see his voucher dates or his vouchers and any other documents that you might need to download. And that's it for the Microtrain portal.